One simple way to improve your posture that almost nobody is doing. This tip is to make sure your tongue position is correct. The tongue is actually a very large muscle, and its function, besides moving your tongue around and helping you swallow, is to counteract the force of your jaw muscles. You all may know that the jaw is a really strong joint and the muscles are pretty strong. They can clench down really hard. Every muscle has a counter muscle, right? A counterbalancing muscle. So a biceps, the counter muscle is the triceps. It does the opposite action. But what is the countering muscle for the forces of the jaw? That muscle is the muscle of your tongue. So many of you, when you get stressed or angry or upset, what do? You clench your jaw. In fact, if you have missing teeth or you have poor breathing habits, you will also tend to tighten your jaw too much or in an unbalanced way. Especially if you have missing wisdom teeth, one side of your jaw will be compressed and lower because the wisdom teeth actually support the correct spacing between the upper and lower jaw. The problem of having unbalanced jaw muscles is the same as having unbalanced muscles in other places of the body. If your chest is too strong and your back is too weak, you'll probably be hunched over, or your shoulder will be less stable. Similarly for the jaw, you don't want it to be clenched too tight. Clenching a jaw too tight can increase stress levels because clenching a jaw is a sign of stressful emotions like anger, frustration, all these kind of things. Stressful emotions tend to have clenched jaw positions. The next thing that jaw position affects is posture, because if you clench your jaw, you will tend to have your top teeth covering your bottom teeth too much. This tight position tends to bring your head forward, which increases stress on neck and back muscles. So you can see that a clenched jaw or imbalanced jaw is not great, and a relaxed jaw and a balanced jaw would be good for your posture. So the way to do it is to teach yourself good tongue position. Tongue position is never taught in any rehab situation, and it's probably not taught in any other gym or in a fitness or in a therapy situation either. Right now, probably only some dentists are talking about it quite a lot. However, it's not complicated. You just need to build the habit all day. Apart from when you're eating or talking, the tongue should rest in its relaxed position, which is at the top of your mouth. That means that the tongue is stuck against the roof of your mouth. There are two ways to learn this position. The first way is to do this sound. When you do that sound, just before the sound comes out, the tongue is at the top of your mouth. That is your relaxed tongue position. The second way is to smile, and when you're in this smiling position, pretend to swallow saliva. That will also put your tongue at the top of the mouth. You can try both ways and see which one works better for you, but no matter which way you use, that resting tongue position is correct for you 95% of the day. So, whole tongue up, not just the tip, the whole tongue. Most people find if they can ingrain this habit, they have much more relaxed neck and back and shoulder muscles. Because when you have a relaxed jaw, whole body relaxes. Do this. Another time to focus on this relaxation tongue posture is before you do any stretching. You can stand up and try for yourself. Clench your teeth, be tense, try to touch your toes. Next, I'd like you to try relaxing your jaw by putting your tongue at the top of your mouth. Now, again, try touch your toes. A large proportion of you will improve because a relaxed jaw brings the relaxation to the entire body. So a good time to do this is before you're going to do any kind of stretching or flexibility exercise. Sticking your tongue to the roof of your mouth also encourages nose breathing, which is the correct way to breathe. Every time you use your nose to breathe, you calm down more. When you use your mouth to breathe, you tend to get more excited and stressed because stressful situations tend to lead to mouth breathing. Oh, I'm being chased by a tiger. Oh, I'm very upset. It's all mouth. But when you use your nose, you tend to calm down. So stick your tongue to the top of your mouth and you'll find it very useful for your overall relaxation. I hope you find this useful. For more science-based health tips to help you fight hard for your health, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you never miss any of these updates.